everybody, and welcome back. Today is a cold, drizzly, nasty day here in Southeast Missouri. It is currently sleeting with some freezing rain, kind of a mixture of both, with that continuing throughout the night and into tomorrow. Days like today call for comfort food, in my opinion, which is why I'm bringing you along. I'm going to make some Instant Pot macaroni and cheese to go along with some sloppy joes for supper. If you're new to the Instant Pot, this is a short, quick, easy recipe to use in it to get you familiarized with it, and a whole lot quicker than the boxed macaroni and cheese. So without further ado, before the boys get back, let's get this started. To the Instant Pot, you will want to add 8 ounces of elbow pasta, 2 cups of chicken broth. You'll want to make sure all of the pasta is covered with the broth. 1 tablespoon of butter. I chopped mine up into smaller pieces. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give everything a good mix, stir. Like I said, you want to make sure that the pasta is covered with a liquid, and you will be ready for the next step in this process. Once the lid is on, you will want to make sure you have it set to sealing, and then you'll want to pressure cook for 5 minutes. My little helper supervisor, while we're making our macaroni and cheese. Do you want some macaroni and cheese? Yeah, yes. The 5 minutes are up on the macaroni and cheese. The next step, we're going to do a quick release of the Instant Pot to release all of the pressure, and then we will add in our milk and cheese and be ready to eat. Once the pressure is released, you can remove the lid. Just be careful as you do this. You can see the steam coming off of it. It will be hot. And I did not mention, but you can use any other pasta. We just use elbow pasta, as that's a typical macaroni and cheese pasta. Next, you will add your milk. I started with using 1/2 cup of milk. Then you will add your cheese. I have 1 cup of cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese, and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. I have used this before using Velveeta. It worked just fine, a little bit richer and creamier, but I kind of like the flavor of the different mixtures of cheeses in this recipe. After you give everything a good mix stir, it will not be completely melted. That's why I go ahead and add the lid back onto the Instant Pot, let it sit there for 3 to 5 minutes. Then I open it back up, give it another stir, and by this time the cheese is melted, if not all. Pretty much most of the cheese is melted anyways. I did end up adding another 1/2 cup of milk because it was a little thick for my liking, and as the macaroni and cheese sits there, it will soak up more of that liquid, so that's why the recipe calls anywhere between 1/2 cup and 1 cup of milk. And here you have it, Instant Pot macaroni and cheese. No straining needed, just a 1-pot dish. I will make sure to link my other Instant Pot recipes and dishes down below. Somebody's got the hiccups. So be sure to check those out. And until next time, take care and happy Instant Potting.